Hey, what's up? It's Balasabas with the Social Media Club YouTube channel. This is where I create a lot of digital marketing strategy and tool tutorials, as well as vlogs behind the scenes of me working in the digital marketing world. Alright, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily connect your Facebook group or page to Restream.io. Alright, before we jump into it, first of all, what do you think of my shirt? This is big thanks to my friends at Quick, Jason and Christy. They're an amazing tool. They just started. It's a tool that basically will create subtitles and closed captions for your videos, all baked into the video. Really awesome tool. I use it myself. This is not sponsored. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm just really good friends with them. I love their tool. I met them in San Diego in March earlier this year at Social Media Marketing World, and I just heard about their tool, started using it, and I love it. So thanks so much for this shirt. What do you think? It's also got a thing in the back. Reach out to them, check them out. Before I jump into this, I want to make sure that you also are subscribing to this channel. I create a lot of marketing tutorials to help you navigate your way through social media and digital marketing, different strategies, different tools that we are discovering and using. So I share all of that with you. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let me know that you came by. Leave a comment. Alright, so before I dive into the actual tutorial, I'm going to share my screen with you here in just a few seconds, but I want to make sure that for those of you that are watching that aren't quite sure what Restream.io can do for you quite yet. Now, Restream.io is probably, in my opinion, the best tool that you can use in conjunction with a live streaming tool like StreamYard or Switcher Studios to then multi-stream, meaning going live on multiple channels at the same time. You can go live on your Facebook page, or your Facebook group, multiple groups and pages at the same time even, as well as YouTube Live, as well as LinkedIn Live, and then Periscope, which brings you into Twitter Live, and then also Twitch for all the gamers out there that are watching. I've actually created a training program that I teach over live video on how to connect your Restream account with your StreamYard account so that you can multi-stream to multiple channels at the same time. You can find the link to more information and to register for that weekly live class in the description below. All right, let's get into it. I'm going to share my screen with you in 1, 2, 3, let's go. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up your Restream.io account, log in, and you want to navigate to your Restream dashboard and click on the big orange or red, depending on how you see it, Add Channel button. Once you get there, what you want to do next is scroll down to the very bottom. There should be a blue bar and there should be a button that says Facebook Live, Groups, and Public Pages. Click on that. You then want to click on the blue button that says Connect Facebook. Now, this will take you to Facebook and a pop-up will come up that says Restream.io streaming will receive your name and profile picture and videos. This is totally fine, and you can now click that blue button that says continue as whatever your name is. What this will do is grant access for Restream to your Facebook account. What you want to do next is select the visibility of your streams, click the drop-down button where it says Friends, and click on Public. Once you've done that, click on the blue OK button. The next page that you'll see will be a picture of you, your icon, your profile picture, right beside the orange Restream icon. And so what you just want to do is you want to allow Restream to manage your pages. This is totally fine, and you can just click on the blue OK button. Once you've done that, you will then be taken back to Restream.io inside of your dashboard, and a pop-up will say Edit Channel Settings -Facebook. And so what you want to do here is you just want to make sure that you are selecting the right channel to go live into. So that can be your personal profile, that can be a page, that can be one of your groups. So just make sure that you select the right channel that you want to go live into. Once you are happy with the channel that you've selected, then you can just click on the orange Save button. Once you've done that, the last step is now you have to go, if you are adding this to your Facebook group, you will have to click on the blue button that comes up that says Add Restream App to Facebook Group. That will take you back to Facebook inside of your Groups settings page, and a pop-up will say Add App to this group, and that is totally fine. You can click on Add, This just gives access to Restream.io to go live inside of your Facebook group. When you go inside of your Facebook group's settings page, you should now see Restream as an available app inside of the group. There you have it. Hopefully that was helpful with connecting your Facebook account to Restream.io. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. I'm always super happy to answer questions. That's really what I'm here for. So feel free to leave me a question in the comments down below. You can also find my course on how to connect your StreamYard account to Restream.io so that you can go live on multiple channels at the same time. And you can find details on that and upcoming classes down in the description below. Again, please make sure you subscribe. I am continually adding more videos to help you with your digital marketing strategies, tutorials, software, tools, all those things, plus little sprinkles of vlogs of behind the scenes of me working in the digital marketing tech space. I really appreciate you watching this video. Stay tuned. Here's the next one.